Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to use Nearby Share on your Motorola G82. So firstly you need to open control panel, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. So find location and enable it. Then find Nearby Share option here, click and hold on it. And cool. Now wait a while, click add or verify button, scroll down, tap yes I'm in, and fine. Now just rename your device if you want, for example G82, click rename. You can change device visibility mode. I suggest use everyone mode if you send data or if you receive data from not contact. So go back and here you can change to data usage mode. I suggest you use data mode because it includes Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and mobile data modes. So cool. Now just open control panel again and enable Nearby Share. Click turn on and done. So cool. Now we can send and receive data using Nearby Share. For example, I want to share this image from my Oppo device to my Motorola device. So on my Oppo device I'm clicking on the share and Nearby Share by Nearby Share button, and I see here my Motorola G82 device. By clicking on it and by clicking on accepting button, I will start sending process. So as you can see, image was successfully sent, and that's it. It works. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.